Our only chance of long-term survival is not to remain inward looking on planet Earth, but to spread out into space.
Oh hi! Have you ever wondered what it's like beyond the Earth, our home planet? Telescopes can help us understand the universe, which indeed can help us discover more about our planet.
Let me see your name tag. Gotta sit down, gotta take this test. In astronomy, sitting in astronomy. Gotta understand what star is that. It's astronomy, astronomy. Learning about rocketry. Everyone's looking forward to the launch of astronomy, astronomy. Learning about the stars and stuff. Everybody's looking forward to the launch of, learning and yeah, learning and yeah, fun, looking forward to the launch of. Sitting in astronomy, sitting in the class, gotta understand what star is that.
When the Russians launched Sputnik in 1957, it inspired people all over the world to learn more about space and astronomy. With telescopes, we now know more about space than ever before, thanks to rockets, probes, and telescopes such as this one.
Yeah!
Okay. Wait.
Romeo's are sent out into space. This cereal has delicious taste. Romeo's are for me and you. Go to the nearest constellation by you.
Consider the following. Have you ever noticed how an object in water can seem distorted? The water can interfere with the actual image. You can see the image clearly while out of the water, but when the image isn't always so clear when submerged.
This gum is really good. You can see the universe in the view of your eye. Get it near a nebula near you.
Okay. Hi, I am here at West High, here to interview Mr. Callahan, the chemistry and the physics teacher. I have a couple questions for you. First question is, why do you think studying space is important?
I think space is important to study because, one, it interests students in science, and it's important to keep students engaged. Two, I think that it's important because it's a chance for students to gain reasoning skills provided by physics and mathematics, and have a place to apply them before they go and use it in the world later, and as engineers and scientists and the voting public.
Why do you think people are interested in the stars?
I think people are interested in stars superficially because they're shiny and pretty, but also because it gives them a chance to see that there's something more out there than just what's around them. The stars are huge, whereas we are, in comparison, very small.
Do you think there might be aliens on those other planets or stars?
Well, the absence of evidence is not evidence of absence, but I'm not betting on it. I don't think so.
And out of all these planets, which one do you think is your favorite?
Planet Earth. Everyone I like is here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Did you know How many constellations do we have? Anybody? Presley? 15. No. There's a total of 88 constellations, and because the Earth's rotation and its orbit around the sun, we divide the constellations into two groups. What are constellations that never rise nor set called? Anybody? Izzy?
A nebula?
No. The constellations that never rise nor set are called circumpolar, and all the rest are divided into two seasonal constellations.
Welcome back. We're here with contestant number 1, Presley, and contestant number 2, Izzy. So far the score is tied and the competition is getting heated, so let's get started. The Spitzer Space Telescope was launched in 2003 to detect what kind of radiation? Izzy?
Gamma ray.
Wrong. Presley?
Infrared radiation.
Correct! We have our winner. Back to our news person, Izzy Rail.
The Foucault pendulum was one of the first pieces of evidence that showed proof of Earth's rotation. While the Earth spins, you can see that the constellations appear to move across the night sky, and you don't need any fancy equipment to do that.
Proof to see that the stars move through the night sky due to Earth's rotation, you can make your own stargazer device using a straw, tape, protractor, and string and a nut. Tape the straw to the protractor, the bottom of it, then take the nut, tie it to a string, and then tape the string to the protractor. There you have your own homemade stargazer.
I'm not a nerd, I just like